Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do an empties video. I have 2 videos to film today. I'm going to do an empties video and I don't even know how many empties I have. It's quite a few. Last time I did an empties video was literally right before I moved. You guys remember that? It was like an empties slash like products I'm getting rid of type video. So I guess this is 3 months of empties. So I have 4 categories. I have body, hair, body, makeup, and skincare. Those 4 categories. So let's start with hair. Okay, so I've got 2 of these. It's a 10. I can't believe I went through 2 of these in the last couple months. I don't know, something's definitely not right with that. There's something like hardcore in my eye. P.S. My Christmas tree is gone. All my Christmas trees are gone. Very sad. This is my favorite product. It's kind of like it's very versatile. It's like a detangler, but also a heat protector and a volumizer. It's like an unheard trio of features. The first product I use in my hair after I wash my hair is this product. I spray it and then I brush through it. It like really helps to help detangle the hair and protect it. This one is the one with keratin and then this one is like the original. I like both. I don't know. I just always go back to the original. I feel like I don't really see that big of a difference with the keratin versus the original, but I already have another bottle. Like, it's a staple, it's a holy grail. I'm obsessed. So next product is this Moroccon Oil luminous hairspray. This is probably one of my favorite prestige hairsprays. It smells insane. It also isn't too tacky or sticky, so you can really, it's buildable. You can really use it as almost like a texturizer, which is the way I use it. My hair is kind of fine. Is there any in here? There is some in here. My hair is kind of fine. Bitch, there's some in here. And I see how it just gives it like a nice volume without being like crazy, like sticky, tacky. So I love it and it smells amazing. And I like that it comes in this big ass bottle too because I go through hairspray kind of quickly. Oh my God, I just got a big inhale. Throwback to dance team in high school. Last time I inhaled that much hairspray. Okay, next hair product is Olaplex number 5. This is their bond maintenance conditioner. This is amazing if you color treat your hair. This is amazing. It also lasted me for almost a whole year. I had this over a year now. I bought this last December, so crazy. Okay, next product, hair product, final hair product is the Amika Bust Your Brass Cool Blonde Shampoo. I use this almost every time I wash my hair, which is only a couple times a week. But I use this every time. It is a very, very pigmented violet, as you can tell, and it smells to die for. And I love the marketing and the branding of it. It's like $30 retail, I think, and that's for 10 ounces. So that's kind of like on par with prestige hair care. So those are my empties. Loves them all. Love that I can throw this away now. I'm feeling like a little bit of a hoarder. I also, in my drawer here with all my empties, I had a ton of, let me show you these, a ton of unit cartons, like boxes. Like, I am literally a hoarder. I'm throwing that shit away. Why do I have that in here? Okay, next, body. Body will be really quick because there's only 2 products. Well, there's 3, but. Okay, so I have 2 of these. Bitches know I'm obsessed with this. I am so obsessed with this. I leave this in my shower or like on the ledge of my shower, and the moment I get out of the shower, how many times am I gonna say shower? How many times? I put this on wet skin. It's thick. It's a pretty thick moisturizer. It's not as thick as a butter. It's more watery than a butter, but it's definitely dense, and if you put it on dry skin, it could be like too thick. So I love putting it on wet skin because not only is that like the proper way to put on moisturizer, it actually works better. It like smooths out more evenly and is easier to apply, and it locks in that hydration. This has ceramides and hyaluronic acid, and the texture is just to die. It's so hydrating, so softening. It's my favorite. It's actually the dupe to the CeraVe moisturizing cream. This is the CVS version. So you could get the CeraVe moisturizing cream, which is like $17. You could get this, which is like $10, and they're pretty much identical. The next product is Victoria's Secret Bare Vanilla Body Lotion. I love Victoria's Secret body lotions. They're obviously just fragrance. It's literally just for fragrance. Like they do have shea butter and other moisturizing properties, but for the most part, I only buy them for the fragrance. And the vanilla one is the sickest one. Like it makes you want to, it's hot. It's fucking hot. You smell just sweet and sugary like a cupcake. It's hot. I like using this and then putting the vanilla body spray splash, whatever it's called, on top of it to like really enhance the flavor. I still use my regular perfume and everything as well. It's just like, it gives it like a nice, totally like vanilla aura to your whole essence. It's just lovely. Did that make sense? So next we'll do makeup because there's only 3 products. First is the MAC Prep and Prime. Is that what it's called? Why did I say that? It's the MAC Fix Plus. I love MAC Fix Plus. It'll always be like a go-to for me, but I just wanted to try something else and I got this continuous setting spray from Morphe. So yeah, but I've been using this forever and it's very reliable. I love it. I love that it leaves you with like a dewy sheen, but not like greasy, and it definitely locks in your makeup all damn day. I got the small one just because like I wanted to try something else. See, there's like a teensy bit left. I'm so tempted to keep it, but I'm not going to. Oh my God, Puffy's playing with the boxes. You're not normal. You are not normal. Come here. Come say hi. Come say hi. Look at how sweet you are. Tell me he's not the most perfect thing that's ever lived. Look at his paws. Look at the paws. He was playing with the boxes like a cat can't. Okay, next product is the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Shape and Fill. I absolutely loved this product. This product is less than $10 at the drugstore. It is money, baby. Shaped like the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer. Like that, like a teardrop. And I never used that style of brow definer until I used this, and I just love it. Since then, I have gone back to like the regular brow pencil, but it was a good run, and I definitely recommend this product. The formula is really good. Comes with a spoolie on one end. Okay, next product, L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. I really liked this mascara actually, but it went downhill real quick. I love how thick the brush is, and the formula is nice. It definitely gives you volume. It was like, there's so much product coming out that I had to like wipe the brush every single time. And then all of a sudden one day it just like dried up. It never was like a happy medium of like, okay, I can just pull the brush out, the wand out, and use it, and like without having to manipulate the product on the brush. Probably wouldn't repurchase this, honestly. Okay, next on to skincare. We have quite a few products here. So let's start with this first one is the Neutrogena Hydra Boost. What's it called? Hydra Boost Gel Cream Extra Dry, no fragrance. Bitch, this was by far my favorite moisturizer that I've tried in a very long time. You know that I love like valuable shit. Like I love getting stuff at like a really good price that's like outperforming all the expensive shit, and this is one of those products. This product is to die. I didn't repurchase it because like I wanted to try so many new things. Like this is already in my holy grail, like for life. I'm obsessed with this, so I just like to try new things and like see what else out there that I would like. But I love this product. Will 100% repurchase it. I recommend it to everyone I know. It is to die. You have to get the fragrance-free version. That's the only thing. Another ride or die, Take the Day Off Balm by Clinique. I always buy the travel size because I get bored easily. One of the best balm cleansers I've ever used, if not the best, because it doesn't irritate me. You can take your eye makeup off. It gets your makeup off completely, perfectly. It dissolves into an oil on the skin very well. And no fragrance. It's literally just like a solid oil, like maybe 5-6 ingredients. It's like one of those basic bitch products that you have to have. That's inexpensive, fairly inexpensive. It is Clinique still. It's not like CeraVe, but it's really good. Hyaluronic acid by Pure. This is Timeless Skincare, sorry. Hyaluronic acid by Timeless Skincare. This is a really basic hyaluronic acid. You can get it on Amazon, you can get it on Yes Style. I don't recall where I got this, but it is just your basic hyaluronic acid. I love this product. Nothing, you know, nothing positive or negative to say about it really. It's just a hyaluronic acid. They work pretty much all the same. I know that's a little bit like an unpopular opinion, but to me, They seem to all pretty much work the same. It's good, it's only $10. Next, Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. I tend to use these in the winter for the most part. Still like them year round. I still carry them around in the summer. I like the minis. These are $20 in the checkout at Sephora. I like the minis because I keep them in my purse. I haven't really used it that much recently, although I love it and I will always use it. Next product was the sample I got from Drunk Elephant of virgin marula oil. I got this quite a while ago. It lasted me a while. Marula oil, especially their marula oil, is like a lot thicker than I expected. So I tend to use it exclusively at night and like I layer it under my moisturizer or I mix it with my moisturizer. I think it works just as well as argan. I probably wouldn't purchase this because it's very expensive. I think it's like $80 for an ounce. Next is this essence by Pyungkang Yul. I think that's how you say it. This is their essence toner. This is a Japanese brand, I think. No, Korean. Yeah, this is a Korean brand. This was actually like a pharmacy and they developed their own skincare line or something and they use like only herbs and like the best ingredients and their products are amazing. This is the first product that I did try of theirs and it's, you know, an essence, which I don't really use essences as much anymore, but you can use this as like a toner or whatever you want. Anyways, their whole line is really good. And I would recommend it. It's also not that expensive. I think this was like $18 or something for 4 ounces. Definitely love this and it took me forever to go through it. I have some left in here. It's a really nice viscosity. It's almost the viscosity of like hyaluronic acid. Like you see how it's like thicker? No fragrance. It is very hydrating. I like it. Next, I just finished this. There's actually a teensy bit left. That's like the moral of this whole story. Burts Bees cleansing oil. Would I repurchase this? No, I would not. I would not repurchase this because it burns the fuck out of my eye. Watch, I purchase it in like a week. But no, I really wouldn't repurchase this. It's fragrant and it irritates my eyes quite a bit. It probably says not to use around the eyes, but like, how am I supposed to take my eye makeup off then? I do that with my first cleanse. So my first cleanse is like a mandatory feature. I need to be able to use it on my eye makeup. It smells like perfume. I don't know. It's why would you do that? Burt's Bees, like this natural brand. Second to last, this is the Elta MD UV Clear SPF 45. This is the shit. This is the shit. It's worth all of the hype that it gets. It's worth it. It's very good. I think it's $40 on Amazon. It's very good. I will 100% repurchase it, but I just got the Drunk Elephant one, so we're gonna wait on that, but it's very good. It's very light. It has lactic acid in it, which I love because that lightens the skin. And it also has like a couple humectants, I think hyaluronic acid. It's very good. It's very light. I can't say that enough, but you put it on and it just sinks right into the skin. Last product is Tretinoin 0.025%. This took me over a year to go through. And now I'm on 0.05%, so I've graduated to 0.05, and this product is really good. Of course, you guys know I like recommend Tretinoin to every single person I know. It's mandatory. You have to get it. You have to use it. Okay, they are going, and now all this rest of this shit can go, and that is the end of my Empties video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please do give this a thumbs up, and please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.